I'll say we just wait, just wait. No, he's not taking it. He's still, yeah. Keep him pinned. Yeah, he's still there. Keep him pinned. Keep him pinned. Face, I think. No, he's right behind the fence. Yep. Yeah, 5-6 times, and tell them to take it, for them to take the hit in, guys, and that's where most of them are coming up.
Yes, welcome back again. Thanks again for stopping by. This is another one. Airsoft shoot 'em up. Pew 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 pew. Yep. In this one, we're not gonna voice over as much. We're gonna let the game footage speak for itself, as there's some golden bits in there, so we want to let you enjoy as much of that as possible, so enjoy.
Yeah, who's coming with me? Who? Where are you defending, eh? Okay. Good organizing, buddy.
This is another day, another game at the Tactical Warfare Airsoft site in Croydon. Let's go.
I'm pushing up because there's nothing here. When they come down, then we fall back. When they come on us, then we fall back. Yeah? I'm gonna push up. Reloading!
If you know, you know. You can tell by the boots. The member there is associated British Army, and he was absolutely kicking butt.
I'm right behind you. Reloading.
Very good team player and very humble guy.
Reloading, cover me.
A lot of the people, the majority of them, just humble and kind, respectful.
Right side! Marshall, get your head down. Left! Right side!
Next time, I'm hoping to be on non-arm bands again. Apparently, that's where it's at, guys. And there might be something to it because they cleaned us last time.
Hey, great shot, mate. Hit. Fantastic.
Also met some very cool guys which I'll be squadding up with, so watch out for those future videos. We will be going to a few different airsoft fields. Lay the marker down, let's just say.
Just defend, don't let them get in the building.
She's on the outskirts of the village because that is not technically the village, right?
The game started?
Just about to, yeah.
Okay.
So I think you're on the other, so you'll be on the far side.
Yeah, yeah. Just going to set myself go.
I was having some issues with my gun at this point, which a few of the guys gave some advice, and the guys back at the shop sorted it for me. I later learned it was the battery. Need to choose the right volt for your battery, guys.
Okay, so it aims a bit high.
This is accurate, you know.
Oh, it's accurate.
This is mad accurate. But my helmet, I can't aim properly.
Quick question for you, mate.
Yeah.
So I've got a
So gun number 12's coming back. It's dead. Battery's dead.
I've got a mid-cap mag in this.
Yeah.
When I've got it on semi, it's stopping from shooting. Like nothing's coming out. You know why that is?
Is there any sound coming from it?
Yeah, and then when I put it on auto, something comes out though. I'll show you. So there's nothing coming.
There's something coming up, yeah?
Yeah, and it stops now. There, stop.
Drop the thingy out and get rid of the ball bearings, like the pellets. That's it, go back in, wound it up some more.
Right, guys,
It's a mid-cap.
Oh, okay.
That's
What
thank
battery have you got in it?
you.
7.4 or 11.1?
I'm not sure.
It might, just have a look at what it is. If it's 11.1, your motor might not be able to handle it.
Oh, the battery's too heavy.
No, it might be just too high a voltage. If it's 11.1, if it's 7.4, you might just try need to use an 11.1.
Okay.
So it's either that, see what battery you've got, try the other one. If
Yeah.
that don't work, it might be just your motor.
Okay.
Yeah.
No worries, man. And then in that case, that means I may have to get it returned in or something because I just bought it.
You can replace the motor, it's brand new, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's probably just whatever battery it is.
Okay. No
So
worries.
you might have to get a bit through it and then it might bonk out and it'll be fine. But
Yeah.
if it doesn't, just check the battery.
Yeah. No worries. I will do, mate. I will do. Almost see now. Thank you, mate. Yeah, always
Right, about 3.
Guys, you ready?
Let's go and make it happen, boys.
Needless to say, with my primary down, I took the fight to the enemy with my secondary 1911 pistol. Let's go.
Let's go, guys. It's domination. Push on. Push on, guys.
I've just done the same thing, you know.
He's on our team, isn't he?
Yep.
Sorry, mate. I'm going for the button. I'm going for the button.
It's done.
Huh?
It's done. Got it.
Oh, we got it, yeah?
Just defend it now, innit?
Okay. Unlimited lives, right?
Yeah.
Come on, guys, defend. Push on and defend.
Hey, be careful, buddy. I see a saddle.
Friendly. Friendly.
Oi! Fucking hell! I ain't voted me laughing!
Hey, there's one to your left here, one to our left. Hit, hit.
Far out.
What's it? Line there?
Yeah, that's it.
Hit.
No kill.
There's one on there called black t-shirt. Black t-shirt. I haven't touched it.
I'm going back safe zone, something wrong with my rifle.
Alright, cool. Make sure you take your mag out, clear your chamber, put your pass off on, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm going to do that.
Nice kill, dude. Well played. Dead man walking. Dead man walking. Dead man walking, guys. Dead man walking.
You armband?
Huh?
You armband?
No. I'm going safe zone.
Oh, okay. I was going to say.
Yeah. Show yourself, suckers!
Guys, watch your language!
Show yourselves, suckers! Watch out. Who's got the button? Have we got the button?
We just got to hold, man. We just got to hold.
Okay.
That's what we're doing. We're dying too quick. We get the button and then we're dying. We're dying.
As long as we got the button, we're good.
Yeah, for real. We ain't got to do nothing extra.
On armbands, control the box!
And we are gang! Let's go! Come get it! Come get it, buddy! Come get it, suckers!
Alright, snap it down, man.
Come on, buddy, show yourself. Let's shoot it out. I've only got a semi-auto. 1911. Come on. Take that, take it, take it. Thank you. Thank you.
Armbands, got the box. Armbands, got the box.
Yeah, I got him. I got the top man. That's what happens when my rifle works, guys. I take you out. That was an epic kill. Alright, come on troops, they got the button, let's go get it, come on. Don't come to war to stand up, lads, come on, let's go. Let's go. Back in the fight, soldiers.
Go. Let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hit. My gun is not working properly. Moss, yep. They're going in, bro. Right. Let's get the button, guys. Come on, organize together. Give me cover and I'll go and get it. Yeah. Come give me cover and I'll get it. What color is ours? Blue. Right, I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. Give me cover! Yeah, let's go, mate. Give me cover! Yeah, he said I got shot before I got it. Huh? Ooh. Yeah, bro. Someone got a rude awakening up there. Oh shit, I left my gun up there. What's the situation, guys?
I don't know.
Who's got it, Marshall? We've got it, thank you. Guys, we got the box, defend! I've got the box right there. Anyone try to take it? Mine's. Reloading!
Let's start getting everyone down.
Wait. We're going.
got it, bro.
Push on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Push on. Come on, let's go.
I was about to pep all of you, man.
Straight ahead. Yep. Thank you.
He's getting this.
Yep, he's there. We got teammate. Number. Yeah. Now, guys, barrels is our focus.
It's that one,
Hey, I've got one.
You got one, that's the last one,
Have you got two?
Yes.
Okay.
No, that's three now, I think.
Yeah. Guys. I've got number 3. That's number 3. Where is it? Bring it! We need number 2 here.
Bring number 2, bring number 2!
I just got a lovely pistol kill. Oh, the guy came round and I leant on the wall like that and just peppered him. I gave him like 4. One of them just missed it.
Number 2 back to base!
He's never regen.
Is that number 3?
Yeah.
Oh my god, we're just standing around it like idiots.
Yeah, no, I brought it back, but he told me, man, I had to wait.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Come back. Oh, mate, I've been hit up a few times, but it's a godsend coming out in short sleeve game. Yeah, short sleeve is a godsend game.
Hey, listen, I'm getting a killing scene myself coming.
Yeah, I'm telling you, bro. It just makes it more exciting, bro.
Makes it more surreal.
Yeah. Makes it more exciting, bro.
Camping in that tower.
That guy with a pistol, yeah, he told me, oh, they're all weak, they're all in the tower and there's barely any of them, just push them. And then
That's what I did, I just busted
I shot some guy here, yeah, he ran around, I shot him again, I got in the tower, there's
Great
4
Man,
of
well
them.
done, man.
We cornered that guy in there and took him nicely.
One of the guys and he shot me in my head.
You're fucking gonna chat shit to you, bro.
Yeah, you got to, if you want, go back there and take it off, bro. It's the only way it is. His mask is hot. Yeah, that's it. See, take it from the military man. Guys, what happens if we have a invasion in our country? This is how we're gonna cry that it's hot. Come on.
I'm not involved if there's an invasion.
Oh no. Yeah.
We have to place
Bro, all I'll be doing is turning up to one of you lot's barracks.
100%.
Arm me, please. Kick me out. I'm a toy soldier and I'm ready. Yeah.
We try and say London, we say south. Anyone who doesn't say south is on site.
Yeah.
Anyone who doesn't say south is on site.
Yeah.
You say London and you don't hear south, it's on site.
That's it. Boys, if you hear London, say south or you're getting shot by your teammates.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, so if I see you and I go London, you need to say south. Yeah, no, there's a fatter one than this shorter one. I think these ones grip better. Let's see. Yeah, he's got a similar one. So this one folds back as well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm getting one similar to this one. Yeah, which I think is better. So I'm getting one. Yeah, cool. What's that? HK?
It's not mine, to be honest.
Okay.
SMG, they said.
Yeah. Number. Who's got long sleeve?
Can you see number on top?
Just bang it in this room.
Yeah, make the number visible. Yeah. Is the number visible? They're gonna. You can see it through there as well, can't you?
Yeah.
The number, isn't it? That's fair. Yeah.
Or should we put it here?
Yeah. Oh, because if I go in.
They will see it.
Look. Yeah, look. They can. Yeah, that's fair. I think. Yeah. That's fair.
They will see it from both windows, and if you put it there, they're gonna see it only from his fucking corridor. And it's just one way.
So there, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Number is visible.
Yeah.
Yeah, that works.
I'm going to hold it. Oh, yeah. Cheers.
Guys, spread out to the right as well, yeah? Watch the shoot. London!
South!
London!
South! Right.
2 right, 2 left.
Yeah, that's it. I've gone right with you, buddy. They're gonna have snipers as well.
Take the corner, yeah?
Yeah.
Come feed this way, take the corner on the end, yeah?
Yeah.
You watching that right side, yeah?
Yeah. Well done, buddy.
I say you keep peeking on this way because they're gonna go through thinking that they've got no one in it. Go to the end. Take the last one. Right, on your right. Hey! Oh, shit. Yeah, shit.
We got sniper there. We can push on. Take up the more forward positions. It's better. Then we can fall back after. Remember, they got unlimited lives.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a good position right here. There, look, see? There, they won't know we're here. Come on, look there. Don't shoot yet, wait. Now shoot. Yeah, look. In the one spot. I've got one. Take it, man. Here, why these people like that? Don't let them take over the right side, guys. Try and hold this right side. Try and hold this right side. I'm low.
Oh no, we got 2 teammates. Yeah.
Cover, I'm going across. Huh?
Already got licked off once.
Got hit in the neck.
Yeah, I got him as well. Yeah,
I know, you cheated again.
well done. Let's go, push on. Alright, this bit is dangerous. They got snipers here. All we got to do is just be patient and wait, guys. Yeah. Just be patient and wait.